Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a really quick video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform my everyday table setting into one a little more special for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to use things that I already have and make a few little changes and make it a little more festive. So let's get to it. I know the centerpiece of my table is going to be these beautiful roses that I got from Rose Forever, New York. They sent these to me over, oh gosh, it's been almost 2 years, and they are preserved roses, and they still look just as good today as they did when I got them. But we're going to use this on my dining room table, which I'm going to show you my table before I change it. But we're just going to do a little change on this to kind of make it match my decor a little more. And I have this little riser. I got this from either Target Hotspot or somewhere. It was just a few dollars, or if not just $1. But anyway, I'm going to use it to kind of raise up my little bouquet of flowers here. And I'm just going to add a ribbon around it because I want to kind of cover up the logo. But I just got some black gingham ribbon, and I'm just going to put it around the top of this little hat box. Now, if you don't have some flowers like this from Forever Rose, you can get a round container from Dollar Tree, the little round gift boxes, and you can make your own little arrangement in there. I'm going to go ahead and put this down on the table a little bit and adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Okay, what I'm going to do is just going to take this ribbon, hush pups, and wrap it around my box. And when I get here, I'm just going to fold it under so I have a nice clean edge. Pull it tight and get my little edges underneath. And then I'm just going to take a little corsage pin, so we're going to take our pin after we get our ribbon folded, catch the edge right here, get our pin in there, and then push our pin down. Okay, and then we're going to do one on the bottom. I'm just going to catch the edge of the ribbon. I know my hands are in the way. Catch a little corner there, and then we're just going to, oops, fumble fingers, y'all. Anyway, I'm just going to catch the edge there, and then push the pin straight up. So it makes a nice, like a little button. And I'm going to do one more. There we go. So we have a nice little decorated hat box of flowers. Anyway, now I'm going to show you my table the way it looks now, and then we're going to make a few quick changes. Okay, this is my table setting now. This was from Christmas. At Christmas I had a little Christmas tree in the middle that had some black and white ornaments on it. And I loved my charger plates. But I'm just going to remove my rooster and do a little something to the napkins, and then we'll be ready for Valentine's Day. Okay, so we're just going to add our little roses. And then we're just going to make one small change to our napkins here. I'm not even going to change my ribbons. All my napkins these are actually paper napkins. I just took 2 napkins, laid them on top of each other, and then pleated them and tied them with the ribbon. I have cloth napkins, but I didn't feel like ironing them. So now I have these little hearts, glitter hearts, that are from the stems you can get at Dollar Tree. All we're going to do is put a little drop of glue and attach them to our napkins. See, that just makes it a little more festive. I'm going to use alternate pink ones and white ones. Okay, y'all, that is it. That's all I'm going to do on my table. I think that's Valentine's Day enough. So, anyway, probably leave that to spring because you know, it's not just screaming Valentine's Day. It can be for every day too. So that's it, y'all. My quick and easy, just 2 little changes, and my table is ready for Valentine's Day. But y'all, how much do you love my chicken? Isn't this chicken or rooster or whatever is so good? And I use him to hold fruit, tomatoes, vegetables. But anyway, I found him at Dollar General. I found him at Big Lots. And I think he or she, is it a rooster? It's a boy. So he was $10. And normally I wouldn't spend that much, but I just thought it was adorable and I had to have him. So, but anyway, y'all, that is a really quick and easy. That's the last Valentine's thing I'm going to do. So, y'all stay tuned. I have a lot more DIYs coming up, actual DIYs, where we're actually going to make something. So anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. See you next time. Bye-bye.